Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get rid of OneDrive icons easiest way. Whether you just want to clean up your taskbar, stop OneDrive from syncing, or completely uninstall it from your computer, I'll walk you through the easiest methods step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hide OneDrive, disable it from startup, and even remove it permanently if you no longer use it. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the quickest and safest option, which is simply hiding the OneDrive icon from your taskbar. A lot of people don't actually mind having OneDrive installed, they just don't want the cloud icon constantly sitting near the clock. To hide it, right-click on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down until you find the section related to System Tray icons or Notification Area icons. Depending on your Windows version, the wording may look slightly different. Inside that list, look for Microsoft OneDrive. Once you find it, simply toggle it off. And that's it. The OneDrive icon will disappear from the taskbar area immediately. Now keep in mind, this doesn't disable OneDrive or stop syncing, it only hides the icon to make your desktop look cleaner and less cluttered. For some people, that's honestly all they need. But if you want to go further and actually stop OneDrive from syncing files on your PC, then this next method is what you should use. Go down to the bottom right corner again and click the OneDrive Cloud icon. Then click the gear icon and open Settings. Inside the Settings window, go to the Account tab. Here, you'll see an option called Unlink this PC. Go ahead and click it. Windows will ask you to confirm the action, so just continue with the prompts. What this does is disconnect your Microsoft account from OneDrive on this computer. Your files stored online will still remain safe in the cloud, but OneDrive will stop syncing them to your PC. After restarting your computer, you'll notice the OneDrive icon is usually gone from File Explorer and the taskbar as well. And don't worry, if you ever decide to use OneDrive again later, you can simply sign back in. Now, let's move on to another useful step, because even after unlinking your PC, OneDrive may still try launching automatically when Windows starts. To stop that from happening, open Task Manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard or by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Startup tab. This section shows all the apps that automatically start when your computer boots up. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click on it and choose Disable. Now, OneDrive will no longer launch automatically every time you turn on your computer. This not only helps remove background clutter, but can also slightly improve startup speed on some systems. Finally, if you're completely sure you no longer want OneDrive installed at all, you can uninstall it permanently. Open Windows Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Click the three dots beside it, then choose Uninstall. Follow the removal steps, and within a few moments, OneDrive will be completely removed from your computer. No more syncing, no more taskbar icons, and no more OneDrive processes running in the background. And that's it. Whether you only wanted to hide the OneDrive icon or completely remove OneDrive from Windows, you now know exactly how to do it, step by step. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials, OneDrive fixes, and easy tech how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.